conversations give us valuable insights that we use as the starting point for developing our products and home furnishing solutions. We put our heads together and work hard to come up with affordable ideas to make everyday life at home a little better by creating home furnishings that combine good quality, form, function, and sustainability with the lowest possible price. We call this unusual combination democratic design, and it's what we believe makes our products unique. This all sounds good, but how is it even possible? Well, the short answer is we're never satisfied. We're constantly looking for new and better ways to do things. We turn problems upside down, invent new techniques, try new materials, and continuously refine our production and distribution. To us, true innovation happens when we can connect knowledge about life at home with our experience and discoveries throughout the entire value chain. We form long-term partnerships with suppliers and together design our products, often on the factory floor, always striving to do things in a better way, using resources carefully and sustainably, with higher quality at a lower cost.